I don't want it to sound like everybody else's song. I want to be original. I'm going to play a simple strumming pattern. I'm going to play the same chords over and over. Those chords are G, D, E minor, and C. And I'm going to sing for you 6 songs that you might not know have the exact same progression. And there are literally hundreds, if not thousands more.
Let it be, let it be, let it be, yeah, let it be. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show me what you're worth. I'm on the edge of glory, and I'm hanging on a moment of truth. We are the champions, my friend. We're not gonna take it. No, we're not gonna take it with or without you. With or without you. I can't live with or without you.
Hi, I am Heather Greenslade at Singer-Songwriting School, and I'm here to give you tips on songwriting all the time, including this one. So here's what I'm going to tell you. There are only so many song progressions, and here's what's important to keep in mind. You want your song to feel safe to your audience. So if you go all over the place with your chord progression without having a home that you come back to, or a modality, a key that makes sense, people can't stay engaged because they feel a little bit like, right? So having a chord progression that makes sense is actually of great value, and you can get so creative within that. I mean, take Blurred Lines, for example. Do you know that song is 1 chord? And I don't think that it's just such a massive hit because of the boobs in the video. Boobs. People like boobs, but it's more than that, right? They had that cool groove going on, the bass line. It was all stolen and they got busted for it later. But 1 chord, and that was a hit song. So many of the songs that you know and love have the same chord progressions. You know, Adele's song, Someone Like You, has the same progression. And I doubt she was like, oh, hey, you know what? Let's use that chord progression from that Twisted Sister song in 1984. Don't be afraid to use common chord progressions. Make sure and go in the description below this video and grab my freebie, 101 chord progressions already used in hit songs. And just go write. All right, happy writing.